Which is presented by one of the student, where she wants me to write this what she has written. I'll show you that story first, and then what I have written I'll show you. So this is one of the story, which is Blur, and the student has written this is the story which she has written, where one side she is mentioning the theme one, that she started writing poems, and then everybody decided that she went to a conference, and then they decided that she will be a poetess in future, to groom her talent, and she will be a poetess. In the theme 2, she is the lady is searching for some materials for the project. Theme 2 is still better, but one mistake here is that there is a lot of cuttings which should be avoided. Second thing, that please do not write she, which shows that the person is self-centered. Try writing stories, convert it into from she to they. Also, the story does not have any the lady which is presented here, I am not aware of her age, which age group she is from, what is the age of the lady is not mentioned here at all. So try mentioning that. Also, MA, which year, it's not sure in the story. The story which I have written, I'll show you. So this is the story where Neha, a 22-year-old second year CE student, went to library to get some reference books, some course reference books. While checking some books on the rack, she saw that the books fell off due to improper alignment. Some were torn. She, along with friends, here I converted she to they, arranged and segregated the books, kept in the proper section of the shelf. Neha meanwhile got the Fevicol and old newspapers and scissor from the librarian. They fixed the torn books with the help of the Fevicol and newspaper cuttings, kept the torn books in the sunlight for half an hour, and then back to the respective shelves. Librarian thanked them. Now this is the conclusion of a story, that this shows that I thank everyone who actually helps me. And then Neha smiled and issued her reference book and left. Neha felt satisfied. So this was my way of writing a story, where I always divide the problem, then the action, where I always divide the story into problem, then action, and then the conclusion, where here the problem and the introduction of the hero is that Neha, a 22-year-old female, where she finds that some of the books were torn and they fell off from the rack. Now the action plan was she, along with the friends, fixed it. And what was the conclusion? That she took her book, and the conclusion was that the librarian thanked them, and then Neha issued her books, and then she left for her place. Also, she felt satisfied. So this was my way of writing the story. You can write based on your understanding. Thank you.